guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here playing on my phone, and it's like 2 in the morning, and I think one pimple right here, and it's bothering me, and I have a hair in my mouth somewhere. So anyway, without further ado, I wanted to shoot a video. I'm trying to shoot something like film something like every day for you guys. I know I am good. Last night I filmed, I edited, and I uploaded for today. Then I'm shooting one tonight. Gonna edit it because I cannot sleep for some reason. Tomorrow I'll edit it and everything, and then upload it for you guys tomorrow. So today's video is just going to be swapping my purse. I've been using my Ida bag, which is an Ida bag right here, which is my kaname. He's my anime husband from Vampire Night. I get a lot of compliments of this bag. I got it at Hot Topic. And yeah, so if you want to know more about an Ida bag, I will leave you guys the link of that video in the description in the bottom, so you can check that out. And yeah, how I did it, what is an Ida bag? I get that asked a lot. But Ida bags are the it purses, to be honest with you, for 2018 and kind of like towards the middle of 2017. It's really big. It's getting really bigger, like in California and other things like that, especially with people that dress up like in goth and anime, that are not really, well, yeah, I guess I see it in goth, kawaii, people that love anime do the dress ups and stuff like that for Comic-Con and all that. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and give this bag a little break. I got a purse for Christmas for my sister and my brother, and I kind of just want to just use it up. It's so beautiful, and it's just sitting in my room. And lately I've been so busy doing things, and you know, you buy so much, like, you know, I did a haul video yesterday. I just have receipts and everything in my purse, and I'm just like, I need to clean it out again. And I did a video not too long ago, what's in my bag, which you guys can check that out as well. I'll post that link on the bottom. But anyway, I wanted to swap my purses, and so put this one to rest for just for a little bit and use that one. Lately I've noticed that I've been having like a lot of burgundy that goes in my purse, and so let me show you what that looks like. And this is what the bag looks like. It is another purse backpack. I know that this style has came back. It's just something that is, it's like getting all dusty already, and I just got it from Christmas. Anyway, I know that this bag, the style of purses are like really popular right now. I know that they came out a while back, and people, you know, every now and then some of them use them, but it's really big now. Like, it's really coming back, because I know that this was like that for a while now. And so it is another little backpack purses. And before, I never used to like them. I used to be like, girl, like, either use a purse or use a backpack. Like, pick one or the other. And that's just in my head, you know, back then. I was like, it's not really my style. Now I love it, and I find that it's just so much more convenient when you're shopping, or you're just, you know, instead of having it like to the side or on your shoulder, it's just easier just to put it on your bag and let's go. Especially if you travel and stuff. I am having a trip coming up pretty soon, and of course I'm gonna vlog for you guys. Well, actually 2 trips. One of them is just around here, San Antonio, and the other one, I think I'm going to be going to New Orleans. So I'm so excited for that. I know we're doing like a girls trip for one of my friends' birthday. I'm hoping that we do that. So yeah, so I'm excited for that, and this is like the perfect if you're like me who likes to travel and everything. It's just so much easier for like carry on for your like traveling and at the airport and stuff like that. But either way, I mean, it's good for anything. So without further ado, let's get this started. Okay, so this purse I got for Christmas, and it was from Ross. If you don't know this about me, I love Ross. I love Burke's Outlet. I just think Home Goods, TJ Maxx, those type of stores are really good. They have like designer stuff for a lot cheaper price. And I used to be all about my purses being like designer. And it's just something that, it was just a preference. I mean, that's how I grew up, with just stuff like that. I remember my first, I think, designer purse was like Dooney Burke, I remember. It was really popular back then. But as of now, I don't really care. I just, like, if it's pretty and I like it, then I'll go for it. And I've been liking really into, like, Betty Johnson purses, too. Betsy Johnson. I say Betty Johnson a lot. Betsy Johnson. And I remember there was a purse that I wanted from her collection a long time ago when I was going to beauty school. And there was a store next to my college. I'm going to take the paper out. And, Oh, I just cannot. I was gonna go get the purse and I never did. And to this day, I regretted it. I have a Poshmark. If you know what that is, I'll put my name on the bottom. And I'm just trying to see if I can find that purse. And it was really pretty. It was like a tote bag purse. And the print was skull. Like there's skulls all over it. And the color was royal blue. And it was so pretty. I wish I could find that purse. And that was my very first purse that I saw from her collection a long time ago. And I wish I would have got it. And now I regret it. So, I don't know. My sister's always like, should I get this? Should I not get this when we are shopping? And I'm like, when you get home, are you going to think about it? She's all like, no. I go, then you don't need it. I go, are you going to be, or if something, and she'll see something like, oh my god, I like it. I don't know if I should get it. Maybe not. I'm going to be home and think about it. She's like, yeah. Okay, you need to get it. So, that's the bad thing with Burks or Home Goods is like if you see something, you better get it if you want it because I can guarantee you it won't be there next time. That's just the thing with Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, Burks. Like they all just go in the blink of an eye. It's all dusty. Wow, really? Okay, so let's open the Eda bag and let's see what we're going to clean out and put in here. As you can tell, it has two little slots here for your phone or whatever. And then here's a little zipper right here as well. And you can put stuff in there. I like the fact that it has a zipper right here. Just fast, easy, and yeah. Okay, so let's clean this out. So, course, I'm going to take out is my Michael Kors purse wallet. I love this wallet. I talk about it all the time. And my other one, it's just, I remember I wanted that for a long time. And then I went to Mercedes, which is in the Valley. And I went to the Michael Kors outlet store. And they had it for a lot cheaper price. And I bought it right off the bat. Okay, I'm pulling out stuff. I'm not even showing you what I got. Today I got these. These are e.l.f. eyeliners. I love these eyeliners. I already talked about it when we did a review on it. And yeah, I like them. And I remember my last tutorial that I used, I told you that one of them on the left eye was kind of just already getting like kind of dry, meaning that I've been using a lot and meaning that I'm running out. So they only had 2 left at my local H-E-B. I don't even know, if you're not from Texas, you probably don't even know what that is. It's just a grocery store. And anyway, I had to get the last 2, and I think they were $2. So I'm excited. I need to put those in there. And then I'm pulling out my little Machino from my little perfume bag that I got for Christmas 2 Christmases ago. And in here, all I have basically is just my girly things, you know, in case you start or, you know, I have girls and you never know, and my little Germex and stuff. So I have that there. And then receipts to H-E-B, Dairy Burger. Dairy Burger is so good. If you are from where I'm from, you know that they're famous for the chicken strips, steak strips, and their sweet tea. A big ass receipt from Hot Topic. Don't ask. A receipt from a CVS. Let's see what I can pull out here. Oh, the girls have their little winter recital. I'm going to take that out. It has that. It has another receipt. And from Hot Topic, I have this little bag that I had got when I was bartending. When I used to bartend. And I thought it was just so easy and convenient just to put all my tips in here. And now I just feel that it's just easier if I'm just going to put my cash up here. Dude, I literally put cash in my purse and times I forget about it. It's like my little, you know, secret stash. So when I want something, I'm like, oh my god, I have cash. I have money. Like, you know, because I try not to buy so much makeup all at once. Because, yeah. So here is just a bill. This is my mom, so we can give that to her. I like a little invitation for Addison's friends party. What else do I have in here? Another receipt to McDonald's, right? Oh no, yeah, McDonald's for breakfast. Because I had my niece over and I took her to school. So I bought her and the girls breakfast. I have my glasses that I have to have because you never know. I have penicillin pills for when I had my root canal. I have a pen. I love these pens. I love these paper matte. They have like the little, like this kind of tip to it. They write like a marker. I love those kind of pens. I like anything like that. And then this is from LA Nails for David, who's the owner who does my nails for many years. He got some pens from his little nail salon and our nail place, and I was like, oh, you have pens? He's like, yeah, take one. I'm like, okay, I'll take one, thank you. And then I have CVS again. Let's see, Party City for when Addison had her birthday party. My little traveling charger so that I can charge my phone. And I don't even know what this is. Frank's Place. Oh, it's some business. Okay. I broke my little piece for my tripod when I was vlogging at that freaking Get Air. And then a receipt to LA Nails. My little headphones that I always have with me. A key that my grandma made me to her house. An extra key. A sock to Get Air. Right? Is it? Yeah, Get Air. They give you little socks when you go jumping. So I have that in there. I have some, okay, Destiny's guitar pick. And some change. A Get Air receipt. Yeah, it was kind of pricey spending, like, paying for everybody for her party to go jump. I spent quite an amount. And then, why do I feel like something's in here? Oh, because something is in here, April. Hello. I have the Jeffree Star and Designer Blood lipstick in here. I usually just put lipsticks in here when I'm going to, like, the lipstick that I'm wearing for the day. More pennies, nothing major. And that is about it. I cleaned it out. I was going to put this purse to rest. That's the first. Because normally, I don't know if you guys do this, but when I swap purses, I always leave shit in there. And then it's like, I don't move it. I just move like the good stuff. I have a little trash bag. And then like I just leave stuff in there. Do y'all do that? I know I do that. I found my other purse, my guest purse. And I was like, wow, I have like shit in there. And that's just like anything. I have my candle fire. I have like everything in here. Do I have any in here? I have to check, guys. Because sometimes I literally leave money in here. Oh my god. I was about to throw a fucking $20 bill. That is insane. You see, I tell you, I do shit like that and I forget about it. I'm gonna keep this for sooner. But oh my god, that is freaking crazy. Thank god I checked. I told you. I was like, I didn't even think I even had money in there. And that's because last time I pulled the 20 out of that same envelope. And I guess like because the receipt for when I'm going to the bank, like, you know, they put the receipt in there, and I guess like it was in the middle, so I have money here, and then I used that, and then I just left money in there, and last time I was like, oh, I have 20, now I have another 20. Ooh, more makeup. Just saying. Anyways, that is just, oh my god, it's freaking crazy. Okay. So, let's put this together. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. Okay, I'm going to put my little wallet in here. And my glasses, because I cannot be without my glasses. I suffer from migraines, guys. If y'all don't know, I get really bad migraines, and it's just so bad. And they have prescribed me some pills before, but when they prescribed them, they were like freaking like $60 for like very little. I'm not even joking. I'm like, what the hell am I supposed to do with that for like, I don't know, like 5-6 pills? I'm like, no. So now I know that I'm happy I remember for point there. It's something with an E. I don't remember what the brand is. I remember they were off the shelf for a while and they came back. So those are the only ones that help. Excedrin. It says migraines on there. Put my little makeup, my money in here. Put that in there. So much. You know what? I think, no, I'm going to put it in there because I'm afraid someone's going to steal. I always get that because I have my backpack and I'm afraid, like, you know, when you're in a line to get something, I feel like those people that are really good at like stealing, like, what are they called, like pocket pocket something, and I feel like I'm so scared like someone can like slowly, without even knowing, just to get into your purse or your zipper really quick when you're behind. I don't know. That's just me. And then I put this back in here. I kind of want to swap this makeup bag though. I'm thinking if I should put the Jeffree Star one, but that's kind of big. Okay, anyway, and that's it. I think that's it. Oh, you know what? I need a pen. You never know when you need a pen because it happens to me too many times. I'm going to put it in the front. I don't even know what lipstick I'm going to wear tomorrow, guys. So I'm just going to keep it like that. And I think that's it. Oh my god, it feels so much better. It feels a little bit heavier because I think it's the material. But I'm so excited just to like, because tomorrow I have to go somewhere. Oh, my grandma's key in the house. Chingo, I almost forgot. So that is it, guys. It wasn't that bad to clean my purse out. It's just doing it. And then you get lazy and you don't want to do it. So I'm going to put this in here. A little zipper. I have to get used to this. I'm so used to my other one. And then I'm not going to zip it up. I'm just going to show it like that. Oh, April, zip it up. Don't be lazy. Okay. Oh my god. You know when you get that excitement when you have like a new bag? Oh yes. I love this material, guys. This is material that I always like when Ipsy sends us like makeup bags with the vinyl like plasticky, because it's so much easier to clean if you get makeup or anything on it. They don't understand how it's stuck when it's cloth. But that is it, guys. I know this video was just kind of like, you know, talking, clean out the purse, getting something done. And yeah, that's about it. Tomorrow I am going to do a video. Hopefully I'm undecided whether I'm going to do my 350 palette tutorial look with it or try this foundation out so we could try and see how this little bad boy is for this oily face. Let's just put it that way. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Also, I've been getting like a little bit better, maybe. I don't know. I got into Musical.ly. If you have Musical.ly, follow me. Everything's in the description in the bottom, so you can check that out. And yeah, I also have Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Musical.ly now. So yeah, all those 4 things. If you want to follow me. It's going to be in the description. And I will see you guys tomorrow. That's about it. So don't forget to slam that subscribe button. Also ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys tomorrow. Mwah! Bye!